Will AI take your job or make you impossible to replace? Your biggest career threat isn't a person, it's an algorithm. AI won't replace everyone, but someone using AI will. You're not competing with humans anymore. Welcome to the new age. Your job's future depends on one decision: adapt or be automated. For the first time in history, the workforce is competing against something that never sleeps, never gets tired, and keeps getting smarter. The real question isn't, will AI replace humans? It's who will survive the transition. If you think AI is only affecting tech jobs, think again. From doctors to designers, from teachers to truck drivers, every industry on Earth is entering a transformation none of us can ignore. We're standing at the edge of the biggest shift in work since the Industrial Revolution. The choices you make today will decide whether AI becomes your greatest threat or your greatest opportunity. Our mission is to provide you with informative and useful content through our channel. This is Infoxe. Facts, information, and solutions. Hub, stay connected. In today's video, we will discuss artificial intelligence, positive and negative effects, which are impact in our daily life, directly or indirectly. First, we will talk about its negative effects and disruption. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world at an unprecedented speed, enhancing industries, accelerating innovation, and reshaping the way humans live and work. But beneath its incredible potential lies a darker side, one that carries serious risks for individuals, businesses, governments, and society as a whole. As AI becomes more powerful and widespread, its negative effects are no longer theoretical, they are real, immediate, and growing. 1. Job loss and economic disruption. One of the most widely discussed consequences of AI is automation-driven unemployment. AI systems now perform many tasks faster, cheaper, and more accurately than humans, from manufacturing robots to self-checkout machines, from AI writers to automated customer service agents. Entire job categories are disappearing. Millions of workers in transportation, retail, finance, content creation, and administrative roles face displacement. This shift could widen economic inequality as high-skilled tech workers rise and low-skilled workers struggle to adapt. 2. Privacy, violation, and mass surveillance. AI systems require massive amounts of data. This has led to widespread data harvesting, often without users' full consent. Facial recognition cameras, predictive algorithms, and tracking technologies allow companies and governments to monitor people's behavior, movements, and online activities. Left unchecked, AI surveillance can become a threat to civil liberties, freedom of expression, and personal privacy. 3. Bias, racism, and discrimination. AI models learn from data, but if the data contains bias, the AI will reproduce it. This has led to serious issues, such as biased hiring algorithms that filter out women or minority candidates, facial recognition systems that misidentify dark-skinned individuals, predictive policing that targets certain communities, loan or insurance algorithms that discriminate based on demographic patterns. AI can amplify inequality and injustice on a large scale if not properly regulated. 4. Deepfake and misinformation. AI now makes it easy to create extremely realistic fake videos, voices, and images. These deepfake are nearly indistinguishable from reality and can be used to spread political misinformation, fake evidence, damage reputations, commit fraud, manipulate elections. Human trust in digital content is rapidly disappearing, leading to a dangerous post-truth era. 5. Loss of human skills. As AI handles more cognitive tasks, writing, problem solving, navigation, communication, humans may lose important skills. For example, students relying on AI for homework may weaken critical thinking ability. Workers, depending on AI tools, may lose expertise. Overuse of automation can reduce creativity and independent decision-making. This dependency could lead to a generation less capable of functioning without digital assistance. 6. Security risks and cyber attacks. AI is a powerful tool, but in the wrong hands, it becomes a weapon. Cyber criminals can use AI to create advanced phishing attacks, crack passwords faster, identify system vulnerabilities, and launch automated hacking campaigns. AI-powered cyber attacks are faster, smarter, and harder to defend against. 7. Ethical and moral concerns. AI raises uncomfortable questions. Should a machine be allowed to make life and death decisions? For example, self-driving cars. Who is responsible when an AI system causes harm? Should AI be allowed to replace human judgment in medicine, law, or education? As AI grows more autonomous, humanity must confront difficult moral boundaries. 8. Existential risks. Superintelligent AI. Some experts warn that future AI systems may become so advanced that they surpass human control. Potential risks include AI acting unpredictably, systems pursuing harmful goals, autonomous weaponization, loss of human oversight, runaway self-improvement. While speculative, these risks are taken seriously by leading researchers. Okay, now let's talk about artificial intelligence positive effects. What are the positive effects and how these effects directly or indirectly impact our daily life? Artificial intelligence is reshaping our world with incredible speed and power. While often surrounded by controversy, AI's positive impact on society is undeniable. From medicine and education to business and daily life, AI is transforming how humans work, think, communicate, and solve problems. 1. Improved healthcare and medical breakthroughs. AI has revolutionized healthcare more than any other field. It helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier, more accurately, and more efficiently. Key benefits include early detection of cancer, heart disease, and neurological disorders, AI-assisted robotic surgeries with higher precision, personalized treatment plans based on patient data, drug discovery at record speed, real-time monitoring of vital signs through smart devices. With AI, healthcare becomes faster, safer, and more preventive rather than reactive. 2. Increased productivity and efficiency. AI automation eliminates repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and decision-making. AI increases efficiency in manufacturing and logistics, customer service, data analysis, administrative work, finance, and banking. Businesses achieve higher output with fewer errors, shorter processing times, and reduced operational costs. 3. Enhanced education and learning. AI-powered tools are transforming the way students learn and teachers teach. Benefits include personalized learning tailored to each student's pace, smart tutoring systems that explain concepts instantly, automated grading and homework assistance, educational content accessible to people worldwide, support for students with disabilities. AI ensures that quality education becomes more accessible, inclusive, and engaging. 4. Smarter, safer transportation. AI is the driving force behind modern transportation innovations. Positive effects include self-driving cars that reduce accidents, AI-based traffic management that cuts congestion, safe autopilot systems in aviation, predictive maintenance to prevent vehicle breakdowns, smart logistics and route planning, and AI makes travel faster, safer, and more environmentally friendly. 5. Boost to scientific research. AI accelerates discoveries that would take humans decades to achieve. Examples: simulating climate change patterns, discovering new materials and chemicals, mapping the universe, improving weather predictions, advancing genetics and DNA research. AI helps scientists solve complex problems with greater accuracy and speed. 6. Better customer experience. Companies use AI to provide faster, more personalized customer support. AI enhances customer experience through chatbots that answer questions instantly, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, personalized recommendations on Netflix, Amazon, and social media, predictive shopping preferences, and consumers benefit from convenience, customization, and 24/7 assistance. 7. Enhanced security and fraud detection. AI systems help detect and prevent crimes in real time. Positive impacts include identifying suspicious transactions, preventing cyber attacks, monitoring public spaces for threats, detecting fraudulent activities. Banks, governments, and tech companies use AI to keep people safer every day. 8. Environmental protection. AI is helping scientists and activists tackle global environmental challenges. Positive contributions include monitoring deforestation and wildlife, predicting natural disasters, reducing energy waste, supporting clean energy projects, tracking climate change data, and AI assists in creating a greener, more sustainable planet. 9. New job creation and economic growth. While AI may replace some jobs, it also creates entirely new industries. AI development and engineering, data science and analytics, robotics, cybersecurity, automation management, digital creativity, and content innovation. AI is expected to boost global economic growth by trillions of dollars in the next decade. This content is created on AI Future for information purposes, and hopefully you will like it. If so, stay connected for more upcoming informational videos on Infoxe. See you again. Take care. Bye.